Turmeric is incredibly popular these days, and it's said that it may be the most effective nutritional supplement on the planet. But what's this superstar about? It's no longer just used in Indian cuisine, which I love. Now there are turmeric lattes, turmeric muffins, and even turmeric dog food. What? Why? What's the deal with turmeric? What unearthly superpower does this spice possess? We'll take a look at the top 5 benefits of turmeric, but also expose how most of us have been using it wrong.
Your health from the inside out.
Turmeric is that golden spice that stains everything, but it's a superstar today mostly because of one particular anti-inflammatory molecule inside it called curcumin. Turmeric powder is about 3% curcumin. Curcumin packs power and is why turmeric has been the subject of thousands of studies. Let's look at what these studies have found, and then we'll talk about what we've been doing wrong to get turmeric in our systems, and how to do it right. Because it turns out turmeric doesn't absorb into our blood. I'll cover that more at the end of the video, so stick around. Here are 5 top benefits of turmeric. Benefit number 1, inflammation. Inflammation in our bodies is important. It's the body's way of fighting a foreign invader and also plays a big part in the body's ability to repair itself. Without inflammation, pathogens like bacteria could easily take over your body and even kill you. Short-term, acute inflammation is beneficial and natural. However, it becomes a problem when it is chronic and inappropriately attacks your body's own tissues. Studies seem to show that chronic low-level inflammation is a major part of every chronic Western disease, including cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and various degenerative conditions. This is why it's so important to control inflammation and keep it in check. Curcumin in turmeric is strongly anti-inflammatory. In fact, it's so powerful in its effectiveness that it matches some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. Turmeric has even been shown to help in the recovery of chemotherapy and ease the effects of arthritis. But since turmeric does not assimilate well into our systems, it needs to bind with something else, and one common component is piperine, which is found in black pepper. This combination increases the effectiveness of turmeric by up to 2,000%. It can make a world of difference. You can find good turmeric supplements with piperine below in our description. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please share with your friends and give it a thumbs up, as that really does make it easier for others to find this information. Benefit number 2, antioxidant. Oxidative damage is believed to be one of the mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. Oxidation involves free radicals, and free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage the cells in your body. The main reason antioxidants are so beneficial is that they protect your body from free radicals. Turmeric is a strong antioxidant due to its chemical structure and can neutralize free radicals in the body, thus working as a preventative for premature aging and disease. Benefit 3, enhanced brain function. Turmeric smoothies might make you smarter. For real! Turmeric increases brain levels of a hormone called BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights against the aging breakdown process of your brain. Many common brain disorders have been linked to decreased levels of this hormone, including depression and Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease in the world and a leading cause of dementia. Since there is no known treatment for it, a steady intake of turmeric and its molecule curcumin may help deter this disease from ever happening. Benefit 4, heart disease prevention. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the world. Researchers have studied it for many decades and learned a lot about why it happens. Unsurprisingly, heart disease is incredibly complicated, and various things contribute to it. Turmeric and curcumin may help reverse many steps in the heart disease process. Perhaps the main benefit of turmeric when it comes to heart disease is improving the function of the lining of your blood vessels. It's well known that a deterioration of blood vessel lining contributes to high blood pressure, blood clotting, and other factors involved with this disease. And finally, benefit number 5, fights depression. Turmeric's incredible ability to make you feel better and fight against depression. Controlled studies of patients with depression have shown the potency of curcumin, the molecule in turmeric. In fact, one small study showed curcumin as effective as an antidepressant drug. So I think it's understandable why this spice has been in the spotlight lately, and we can see its important benefits. But as we mentioned, turmeric does not absorb well into our bloodstream by itself, and many people use it the wrong way so that they don't benefit from all the benefits it has to offer. It needs to bind with something else to maximize its delivery to our system. Let's cover some of the best ways to get turmeric to absorb into our blood. First, one great option that will deliver high amounts of turmeric and curcumin is a supplement, but you don't want just any supplement. You want one that adds piperine. Piperine is a compound found in black pepper. Turmeric will bind to this compound and the bloodstream will absorb it easily. And what's wonderful about this is that piperine enhances the absorption of turmeric by up to 2,000%. Look below in the description if you want suggestions and links to our favorite turmeric supplements with piperine. There are other ways to get turmeric into your system. Turmeric binds well with oil, which is why cooking with it comes highly recommended. This is because turmeric is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves into fats and will stay in your system longer this way. What's more, a slight amount of heat increases turmeric's bioavailability to be absorbed by your body. This means that your warm golden turmeric latte is a good thing, and that curried scrambled eggs is a super healthy food. However you get it into your body, these basics are good to remember to get the most benefit from turmeric. Do you have a favorite way to use turmeric? Please share. We want to know. And please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tips and health ideas on how to own your biome.